Hi guys, this is Jana here. Welcome back. And today we're going to make an omelette. We're going to make a vegan vegetables and potatoes omelette. A little bit different than the one we made 2-3 years ago. So this is a new version, improved, and in my opinion easier, because the ingredients, although they are super delicious, I have simplified the method, so I think you're gonna love it. But before, I'm gonna ask you to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so you get notified every time I make a video, and let's go to the recipe. Here I have potatoes, new potatoes. They are small and very, very delicious. I have not peeled them because I like the peel and it's more nutritious this way. And then I have onion, green, red and yellow peppers, and I have tomatoes, and this is it. Okay, so it's going to be super simple and super delish as always. Also, I have here the works: chickpea flour, nutritional yeast, black pepper, garlic powder, and a little bit of vegetable bouillon. And at the end, we're going to add a little bit of lemon to balance everything out. And let's go to the recipe. So, on a skillet, you add vegetable oil or water. And to these, we're going to add the potatoes, because we're going to fry them for 5-8 minutes. And then we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. Right? Our potatoes are golden brown and beautiful, and now we're going to add everything else. One of the things that I like about this recipe is the freedom to add anything that you like. You add some salt. And while our vegetables are cooking, we're going to prepare our egg mixture with chickpea flour and the spices. Give it a stir. Remember that all the quantities and everything about this recipe is going to be linked down below, written down below, as well as on my website. So refer to that if you have any doubts or anything. But this recipe, quite honestly, it's super easy. I mean, no secrets. But I wanted to make another kind of omelette, because that one, I know it's a little bit challenging if you're not using to make omelettes using chickpea flour. So this one is going to be a lot of vegetables, and the omelette itself is going to be a little bit thinner, which I quite like, to be honest. Vegetables have cooked through, so now we're going to add just like that, okay? The chickpea mixture. And now we're not going to stir anymore. We're just going to accommodate all the vegetables here. Cover and let it cook for 5-8 minutes in low heat, so nothing burns, okay? And I'll come back to show you. And here we have our vegan omelette ready. It looks delicious. We are just going to end with a sprinkle of parsley and a little bit of lemon, in this case lime. Voila, this is it. Look at this beauty. It's so beyond words beautiful. And of course I'm going to try it, because you have no idea how wonderful this house smells. Oh, delicious. Look at this. Super hot, so I'm gonna have to wait a little bit. Can't do that. Maybe a little bit. Ah, come on. Super tasty. And one good thing about not sauteing so much the vegetables is that they're not gonna get too mushy. They're gonna preserve a little bit of the bite and a little bit of the water inside. So this recipe, hear me out, This recipe is for you guys who are a little bit resistant with the chickpeas, that you don't like it so much. In this case here, you have more vegetables and just a little bit of chickpeas and a lot of flavor. So why not give it a go now? If you ever make it, take a picture, tag me on Instagram, because I love when you guys do that. I think it's brilliant. And also let me know in the comments if you have made this and what is your version of that and what is your favorite vegetable to put in. And this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I certainly did. And don't forget to follow me on my social media. And if you want to support this channel, check on my Patreon and check on my merch, because 10% of my profit is going to be donated to my local animal shelter. I'm also going to post down below their Facebook address. And I see you next time. Have a fabulous week. Bye bye.